Hello guys, let's take this problem based on surface area of sphere which we have discussed in the previous video lecture. So let's see what this problem says. In this problem you can see here, you need to find the surface area of a sphere whose radius is given to you. In first case it is 10.5 and in another case it is 14 centimeter. So let's start calculating for this case. You can see here radius is 10.5 centimeter. So what will be the area? Area, as you all know, it is 4 pi r square. It is the area for a ball. Now what you will do? You will put the value of r, which is 10.5 centimeter here in this case, in this equation. And what will be the value of pi? You will be using 22/7 in this problem. Now let's put the value of r. As this is r square, so we are using r 2 times. So 10.5 into 10.5. Now what you will do? Let's cut this value. So this will be 1.5 and what we will be getting? You will be getting 1386 centimeter square. After evaluating this expression, you will be getting 1386 centimeter square as the area of a sphere. Now in this case, which is 14 centimeter, so for this radius, what will be the area? So let's start calculating. Now you are already familiar with this expression that surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. And what is the value of r here? It is 14 centimeter. So your answer will be, after evaluating this expression, it will be 2464 centimeter square. So this is the area of a sphere for the radius of 14 centimeter. I will be discussing more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.